Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this is another free macro from our friend Eskimo called Match Vectors. Not using any of this stuff up here, I'm just going to use this vector tuning. There's no way, so this line is 15 inches long. If I want this line 15 inches long and I don't want to move it to 0, I've got to stretch it. But how do I know to get it to 15 inches away from the length of the line? See, it says it's 8.8. That's because the Corel's measuring it. And if I hold down the shift key and put a rectangle, that's what Corel's measuring. They're measuring the distance like the rectangles around it. But inside his macro, and I'll put a link to at the bottom of the video in his macro, if we want this line at that angle and we want it to be 15 inches, now that line is 15 inches. Now we can change it, and for some reason it reads 45, 22.5 degrees, put it back to 0 so Corel can measure it. That line is 15 degrees, but we did it at an angle. That's pretty cool. It's a free macro. I'll put a link to it called Match Vectors. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.